Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both machines so the cast can begin. On both PCs, enable network discovery and file and printer sharing. This lets them see one another. Once done, make sure both are on the same local network. Use wired Ethernet for stability or the same Wi-Fi SSID for convenience. Install or update the receiving app. Windows connect for built-in Miracast support or a trusted third-party casting server. After that, reboot or restart the apps, so services advertise themselves on the LAN. You now initiate the actual cast from the sending PC. Open the project menu or your casting app, choose to connect to wireless display or server, and pick the target PC name shown. Configure what you send, entire display, single app window, and whether to include audio, lower resolution if latency is an issue. On the receiving PC, accept the incoming connection and enter any PIN or confirm the prompt. Once connected, adjust scaling and audio devices so the cast matches your intended use. You complete the setup by verifying display and audio, check resolution, choose the correct playback device, and confirm adequate network bandwidth. If you see lag or dropped frames, switch to wired Ethernet or 5 GHz Wi-Fi and lower the stream quality. This reduces packet loss. If the receiver never appears, make sure firewall rules allow the casting app and restart network services. Reinstall the display or wireless drivers as a last resort. One key troubleshooting tip: temporarily disable the firewall.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.